Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log out of Tango Live app on your Android device. If you're new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first step we're going to do is open our Tango app. Once you open your Tango app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page on the top left hand side corner, you can see a profile icon. You'll have to tap on it. Once you tap on the profile icon, you'll be on the My Account page. From here, all you'll have to do is scroll all the way down. And on the very end, you can see option Logout right there. All you'll have to do is simply tap on the Logout option. After that, there will be a notification pop up where you'll be asked if you are sure you want to log out. Tap on the Logout option. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully logged out of your Tango Live app. That was all for our today's video. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log out of Tango app. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and have a good day.